Okay, so this week, so this week we got a fair amount done. So last week we had put in that AC, and that turned out to be really good. And then this week we got the triple sink put in. These are one of those triple sinks that you can order off a web restaurant or Amazon, and they're really nice. I really like it. So this one meets California specs when it comes to depth, length, and width. They require 10 by 10 by 14 and integrated drain boards. So I got that off of Amazon and put that one in. I think that turned out real nice. We also put in the the water tanks right here. That's my gray water tank down there on the bottom. We got the fresh water tank put in. The pumps are lined up. I don't have them put in yet. Well, I'm going to wait till the plumber gets here for all that. But we did get the triple sink. Excuse me, not the triple sink. The hand washing sink. You can see I have a filtered water spigot coming off of that. And then this is the first time I've used one of these little rinsers. So I've had rinsers before in the past, but that's the first time I've used that type of rinser. So we'll see how that pans out. So all that's drying right now. I got some silicone laid down on all that, and just kind of got it lined up for the plumber. So we should have the plumber in either this week or next, and bolted these tables down. So it's actually starting to look like a food truck, starting to look like a coffee truck. So it's pretty nice. I like the way this one's turned out. It's really nice. So we still have this is a mobile coffee roaster, so I still have the barbecue grill that I have to get put onto the back, and I have some welding back there that has to be done. But you know, that's all later on in the future. For right now, I just wanted to get mainly the inside done so I can start getting the equipment laid down. And so I think we're getting pretty close here. A little bit more plumbing for the plumber. I'm just I'm hiring the plumbing out, not gonna do it myself. The electrician has to come in and wire all his outlets. We put in the panel and ran the wire before we put all the walls up, but he still has to come in and wire it. And then I got some welding that has to be done in the back. Refrigerators got to get put in. Generators got to get put in as well. But once all those things get, once all that gets knocked down, then this thing will be ready to go. So we are 5 weeks into the project, and we're probably, I would say, 80% done. So having it done in 6 to 8 weeks, I think is fairly reasonable. I did hire out a lot for this one, so I had a contractor working with me. I had a lot of field hands coming in and out of the job, so it wasn't just me doing the job. But I cover all that, like in the courses, how to contract the work out. I mean, you don't have to build these things yourselves. I'm not doing all this work myself. I hire good people to come in and help me out, and so it's definitely not a one-man job, which is good, because you don't want me doing all the work. These guys are definitely better at measuring and cutting than I am. So all right, well, thanks for tuning in.